Are you being annoyed by the Net Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Net Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Net Library, a native Windows library that provides the foundational API for TCP/IP networking. It handles the low-level data transmission and socket management for the system. Corruption in Net.dll will result in a total loss of internet connectivity, and the OS will report that network services cannot be initialized. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. To resolve this, keep in mind that sharp-zip-lib DLL is typically installed with .NET Framework. Reinstalling the latest version of .NET Framework from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Net Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NETSSH space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type N.ETSH space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading sharp-zip-lib DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Net Library within a Windows library environment. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Net Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.